Welcome to our deep dive into cutting-edge solutions combating climate change. Today, we're exploring a dynamic mix of innovative technologies and community-driven initiatives that are reshaping our approach to sustainability. First, let's talk about renewable energy. Solar, wind, and hydroelectric power are not just alternatives anymore. They are the backbone of a cleaner, more resilient energy future. These technologies are not only reducing our carbon footprint but also driving economic growth. Countries and cities around the world are investing heavily in renewables, recognizing their potential to create jobs, lower energy costs, and safeguard our environment for future generations. Energy storage is pivotal in maximizing the potential of renewable energy sources. Advances in battery technology are revolutionizing how we store and distribute energy. From grid-scale storage facilities to home battery systems, these innovations are ensuring a stable and reliable energy supply, even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. This capability is crucial for transitioning away from fossil fuels and integrating more renewable energy into our power grids. Carbon capture and storage (CCS) technologies are essential tools in our arsenal against climate change. These innovations capture CO2 emissions from industrial sources and power plants before they reach the atmosphere, preventing them from contributing to global warming. CCS not only reduces emissions but also holds promise for creating new industries and jobs in carbon management and utilization, turning a problem into an opportunity for innovation and economic growth. Electric vehicles (EVs) are transforming transportation. They offer a cleaner, quieter, and more efficient alternative to traditional vehicles powered by fossil fuels. With improvements in battery range and charging infrastructure, EVs are becoming more accessible and practical for everyday use. The shift toward electric mobility is not just reducing air pollution in our cities, but also decreasing our dependence on imported oil and enhancing energy security. In the realm of building and infrastructure, green architecture is leading the way toward sustainable development. Energy-efficient buildings, green roofs, and passive design techniques are reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions from the built environment. These innovations not only cut costs for building owners but also improve occupant health and well-being by providing healthier indoor environments. Community initiatives are driving change at the grassroots level. Local communities are taking charge of their energy futures through community-owned renewable energy projects. These initiatives empower residents to generate their own clean energy, fostering local resilience and reducing vulnerability to energy price fluctuations and supply disruptions. Urban green spaces are vital for enhancing the quality of life in cities. Green roofs, urban forests, and community gardens mitigate urban heat islands, improve air quality, and provide habitats for wildlife. These green spaces also promote social cohesion and mental well-being, making cities more livable and resilient in the face of climate change. In agriculture, regenerative practices are revolutionizing farming. Techniques such as agroforestry, cover cropping, and rotational grazing not only restore soil health and fertility but also sequester carbon from the atmosphere. These practices are transforming agriculture into a solution for climate change, promoting food security and resilience in the face of increasingly unpredictable weather patterns. Community resilience programs are preparing cities and towns for the impacts of climate change. From flood management and storm water retention to coastal protection and disaster preparedness, these initiatives are essential for safeguarding lives, infrastructure, and natural ecosystems. Investing in resilience today saves lives and dollars tomorrow, ensuring our communities can thrive in a changing climate. Education and advocacy are critical in driving systemic change. By raising awareness about climate change and its solutions, we empower individuals and communities to take meaningful action. Advocacy efforts push for policies that support renewable energy adoption, sustainable development practices, and climate resilience measures. Together, we can build political will and momentum for bold action on climate change at local, national, and global levels. In conclusion, the path to a sustainable future is clear. By embracing innovation, empowering communities, and advocating for smart policies, we can address climate change effectively and create a world where future generations can thrive. The time for action is now. Together, let's turn the challenge of climate change into an opportunity to build a healthier, more prosperous, and sustainable planet for all.